Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video we are gonna learn how to install the TurboC software and how to write code inside that software and how to execute those codes. So let's see. First of all, go on Google and type download TurboC and there you will see the very first link, that is developerinsight.co. Click on this. After that you will see step-by-step procedure to download uh, about how to install the TurboC++. Just click on this download link and you will be redirected to the next tab. Now once it's downloaded, just go in your download section. And there you will see the TurboC++. Just right click here, or you should just cut this file to your desired folder wherever you want to install and just paste it. And now just extract the software, extract here. And once this file is extracted, just click on this TurboC++ and you will see a setup file. Where is the setup file? Just click on this and it will start installing in your system. Now it's preparing to install. Okay, and now just click next, accept, then next, and then install. It will. So guys, once you have installed the TurboC++ software in your system, just type here in the search box turbo and you will see here. Just click to open this software. It might take some time to be launched, and once it's launched, so just click here, start TurboC++. On the file, click on the new, and new file will be open for you, and just save it with by a particular name, like let's say the previous example as we have studied of printing hello world, so that you guys can get aware to the working environment of TurboC++, how to write, how to run, how to save. Okay, so for saving you have to go in this file and save as, and now write the name like practice. Will automatically save it as .c file. Every C program is saved as .c file, like practice.c. okay, it's saying it's already existing. Yes. Now as you know, you have to include 2 header files in every program of C language, so just type as include stdio.h as include neo.h, and then after void main, because you have to start your main function, write printf, and double quotes you have to keep the string hello world, hello world. Okay, and don't forget to put the semicolon at the end. Now you have written your code in the TurboC++ software. Now let's see how to run this code. Just go on this run, click on the run. Now you have seen something here. You are not seeing any output because you have not used the getch. I already told you in the previous video that as include conio.h file is used to use 2 functions. First is clear screen, because every time you are printing something on the console output, you have to clear that, and if you want to be on that console until you press any button, until you press any key, you have to use getCS. getCS function is used to remain to be there on the output screen. So now let's run it again and see the output. So as you can see on the output screen, hello world dead, and now until you press any key on the keyboard, you will be on this screen only. And now I am gonna press any key on the keyboard, and I will be out of the output screen. That's the use of getCS. And the use of clear, let's suppose I am removing the statement of clear screen and now again running this program. Okay, so after removing the clear screen statement, let's run the program and let's see what's happening. Now press and again run the program. Now you can see multiple times hello world is being printed here. So to remove the previous printed hello world, you have to use the statement clear screen. I hope it's clear to everyone. Okay, yes, so let's use the statement CLRSCR. Okay, that is, now let's see the difference. What is the use of this statement? Okay, so it's only printed once. All right, now press any key. Okay guys, so I hope you all have enjoyed this video. In the next video we will start with the basic problems we solved using the C programming language. So I will try to help you guys write the very easy logics for those problems, and believe me guys, those are the problem statements which are being asked for many years in many big companies hiring process and interviews. So we will be just focusing on the logic, and you will get to uh, and you will get familiar with this syntax and semantics of C language very easily by walking and working. Okay, I will clear each and everything. Alright, if you want to get out of this software, just press Alt X, yes, and you will be out of this software. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.